Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting into a meeting fast. Sign into your Google account and open Meet or the calendar event. Once done, grant camera and microphone permissions so your devices work. Make sure to test them in the quick preview. Next, choose New Meeting or enter a meeting code and click Join. Immediately copy the meeting link and share it via chat, email, or calendar invite so participants can join without delays. This gets you live and ready to continue. Once everyone is in, focus on controls that keep the session smooth. Use the camera and microphone buttons to manage who's visible and heard, and enable captions for clarity. These help accessibility and reduce confusion. When presenting, click Present Now and choose Tab, Window, or Entire Screen depending on what you need to show. The Chrome Tab option optimizes audio. Also open people and chat panels to manage attendees, mute noisy lines. To wrap up, end the call or leave and transfer host duties when necessary. Recording the meeting saves it to Drive for anyone who missed the live session. After the meeting, copy and share the recording link and any notes from the chat so action items are clear. If something goes wrong, say audio or video fails, first check browser permission settings and the selected device, unplug and replug USB gear, or restart the browser tab. These steps usually resolve common connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.